Yesterday already we are discussed about a change around us, how it is considered in a milk. Now we are going with our next concept about a change of session. How you take a change of session, how you here clarified about our changing of a session. Yes, how you indicate the changing of sessions and what is the causes for it, what is the causes for it, that is only we are consider. Here are not all the students. Okay, and now one check here, there is a how there is a changing of sessions are considered first, then after what is the reason for it, what is the reason for it, once we have to go to check today. Okay, I hope you got it. This yesterday whatever we discussed, there is a what when we are considered from winter to the rainy session, or rainy to the winter session, or winter to summer session, what the changes are may you observe in your day life. Okay, now all the students, once you write what the changes may observe in your day life due to the changing the sessions. Yeah, already you have in our textbook also what the type of a changes may you consider. Okay, clear or not all of you? How you feel in a winter, how you feel in a summer, what the type of a class we are weird in our winter, what the types of a class we are weird in a summer, what the type of a food we are taken in a winter, what the type of a food we are taken in a summer, all the things we are discussed. There is a what, when you observe at a winter, it will be environment is a pleasant and as well as a cold. When you consider the climate and environment and nature somewhat hot in a summer, compare with the winter. Clear or not all the students? And as well as the dresses, the colors are also maybe are changes. There is a light color dresses we are used, and as well as there is a what we are used as a thick color dresses are we are used in a winter, and as well as there is a thick cloths like a woolen we are used in a winter. The same in a summer we are used, there is a cotton cloths here. Okay, clear or not all of? Our habitations are changes, and as well as the environment condition and atmospherical conditions are also changes, and as well as our drinking habits are also changes. We are go for our winter purpose, coffee, tea, like that things we are warm drinks we are may takes, and as well as in a summer cold drinks, and as well as there is a most of the things cold water, cold drinks we are offered for at that time. Okay, clear or not all the students? I hope you got it. There is our food habitations are changes, our dress appearances also changes, and around the environment is also changes. This is only we said that our changing session. Okay, clear or not all of you? When there is a juice centers and as well as cold drink centers are may established, that we are retreated, it is a coming days or summer. Okay, clear or not all of you students? And somewhere on our shopping places, there it will be contains woolen cloths and all these things are may appear for us. At that time it is we treated as it is a winter session may come for us. Okay, like that whatever the changing around us that maybe in our environment automatically it is also gives for us changing of sessions also. It is also gives for us changing of sessions also. Then how you clarified about these changes? Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, that is only just a minute. Yeah, that is only we are taking here, and in our textbook one check here in the page number 697. In the page number 97 we have one tabular format also. What is the tabular format? It is a given the what is the sunrise time, what is the sunset time. All the days are contain the same sunrise, same sunset time? No, it is a contain a difference. Okay, clear? In our textbook there is given the table for the December and as well as the May. Once check here, there is a table. There is a given what? A table. In this table there is a day 1. There is a whatever the sun rise time, whatever the sunset time. Like that only it will be considered. Once check the what is the duration between sunrise and sunset. That is only we called as the daytime. It is only called what? Daytime. Okay, clear or not all the students? Once we have to check here, there is a from this particular table there is somewhat questions they are asking for us. What is the duration of the longest day in December? What is the duration, the longest day in the December? Once you take that subtraction, okay now, between the two things, what is there? There is a given, yes, day 1. Okay now, in December, day 1, that is the what? Sunrise and as well as the sunset. Okay, one check it here. What is the time of sunrise here? The time of sunrise is the 6 hours, morning 6:29. It is we call the evening 5:40. It is the evening 5:40. Okay, clear or not all the students? What is the duration is there between these two times? Yeah, there is a 7:40 by 6:29. Okay, it is 11 minutes and as well as the 11 hours. This is only the daytime. Okay, this is a become what actually daytime we are consider. Once check it here. 6:30, 7:40. Automatically the 11 minutes, 11 hours, 10 minutes. For the second one, 11 hours, 10 minutes. Then again 11 hours, 10 minutes. Then again 11 hours, 10 minutes. Then again when we consider it is, this is 11 hours, 9 minutes. 11 hours, 9 minutes. There is, we consider there is, it is about 11 hours, 8 minutes only. Here there is 11 hours. There is, it will be taken about actually 8 minutes again. 11 hours, 8 minutes. 11 hours here, 7 minutes. 11 hours, 8 minutes will be get for us here. Sorry, there is 11 hours. Yeah, there is about again 11 hours. Okay now, 7 minutes only get for us. Like that it is a decreasing, the time duration is a decreasing for day. Okay, the longest time at where? At December 1 only the longest time. That is 11 hours, 11 minutes. And when you take here, what is the duration of the longest day in the May? Okay, now once check it here, there is about last day maybe. May 31st, that is what actually, yes, when you take a day 1, it is in a May actually, May 1. Okay, now what is the sunrise time is there at May 1? There is a 5:51 is the sunrise time. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as there is a 18:36 is a sunset time. The duration between the sunrise and the sunset is what actually here? Yeah, there is a duration is, we are taken it is 18:36 minus 5:51. One check it here, 5 minutes, that is 13. Okay now? Yes, 36 and 51. Here it will be taken somewhat 13 hours 25 minutes. Okay, clear or not all the students? 13 hours and as well as the 25 minutes of the daytime will be there here. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is only we are taken here 13 hours. Yeah, not 25, not it is 15. Yeah, 13 hours, 15 minutes time is there for that May 1st. What is the duration? 13 hours, 15 minutes. Once check it over again. It is a decreases or increases. Now once check it here, increases here. There is a 13 hours. Okay, clear or not all the students? 14 minutes only. Now there is again 13 hours. Okay, now yes. Here it will be taken as 12 hours 45 minutes only. Sorry, the wrong interpretation is there here. Because of that, there is a what here? 12 hours 45 minutes of time will be there here. Okay, there is a when you are go down, what will be get for us? There is a 541 1846. Okay, now 541 to 1846. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now there is a what will we get for us 541 to 1846 minutes. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now there is a daytime is what actually it is a rising time at 541. Okay, na? And as well as there is a what it will be contained a what set time it is and the rise time both are increases here only. That's why there is a where it is here May 31st. From this one, there is it is called May 31st is the longest duration we are taken here. I hope you got it, the students. From the table, you calculate that automatically. You will get the what all the information, the daytime and as well as the sunrise time and sunset time. These all are getting the form of change here. Clear or not all the students? And here. The shortest day also we are getting and as well as the longest day also we are getting yes in this particular things. Especially there is a May 1st is here short. May 1st is not a longest one here. There is which one is the longest one here? No. There is the longest one. The calculation is a very important. How to calculate the time you know very well. There is a what here we consider. There is it is in a hours. It is in a minutes. Okay, clear or not all of you? There is not first, not 31st. It is the longest duration will be get. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, you simply add. There is it is a what for it. Here there is you add or This particular time duration is only there and you calculate there also. Okay now? Yes, evening 5 to morning 5 there is a 12 hours. The remaining how many minutes are there? 5:41 to 5. It is how to calculate easily, you know, 5:41 to 17:41. It is how many? 12 hours duration. And the remaining is how much? It is a more than 1 hour. Here 18 again, 18:46. So automatically there is a more than 1 hour and 5 minutes. 13 hours. Okay, 5 minutes will be good for us. In this way only you calculate this. Okay, clear or not all the students? I hope you got it simply. Okay, now 12 hours duration nothing but 5:41 to 7:41. 12 hours and 18:46. What is the difference is there between these two times? 1 hour 5 minutes. You add to that. In that way only you calculate it is. Okay, easy method for it. And here there is a 13 hours and 5 minutes. That much of time is not getting in our table any other date. That is for May 31st. What you conclude from this? There is a day time is a changes. Okay now, day duration is a changes. Somewhat days are contain a long duration, somewhat days are contain a short duration. Okay, clear or not all of you? This is one more change considered in our atmosphere during the session change. Okay, clear or not all the students? And here it is about our whatever the time change. One more activity is also there here. What is that activity? Activity 4 we are considered. Very important thing here. Once check it here. Activity 4 purpose. Okay, clear? And every time there is a wind, whatever the sun rise towards what actually east only. You know very well. Every time there is a what that the east side is a sun rises and the west side sun is a set. Okay now, the same position will be get up every day throughout here. No, it is not correct. Okay now, every day the sun is not rise at the same position for us, for our earth. It is a changes. Okay, clear or not all the students? It is a changes. Every day it is a some portion, some part it is a changes. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, for this purpose, this activity we consider by using one experiment, but this experiment takes a lot of time for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? Lot of time for us. Okay, now you consider that the position of the sun, any one of the day in a winter, any one of the day in a summer, or any 2 or 3 days in a winter, any 2 of the 3 days in a summer. Okay now, for this purpose you take a compass, magnetic compass. Already you know very well how the magnetic compass is works. Always the magnetic compass show the what? Always it is shown the what actually? It is always shown the which one? It is always shown the north direction. Okay, clear or not all of you? It is always shown the north direction. The red color side is shown the north direction. It is the north direction. It is about a south direction. This one is about, this one is the sun here. This one is the sun. Okay now, it is actually taken as east. And every time our sun is rising on this position only? No. Okay, once you observe there is a whatever compass you are taken here. Okay now, yes, there is a what may get it is in a summer. Okay now, yes. On a summer may get like in east condition. Okay now, but winter may not it is at exact on east. Okay, clear or not all of us? The same place you consider, don't change the place. In case you change the place, the location of this one is also changes. Compass location is also changes. This is the what actually, this is the north direction it will be shows. It is the north direction it will be shows. It is shows the east direction, it is the west direction, it is the south direction. But our sun, in case it is a summer, it is appeared here east, may not appear it is here. Okay, now may our sun is appeared somewhat here. Okay, clear or not all of you students? Yes, why? Because already we are discussed. There is our earth is revolving around the sun. Okay, clear or not all of you? Our earth is revolving around the sun. A summer it is here. When it is a winter it is here. Clear or not all of you? And as well as our earth is also itself it is a rotated its own axis. That is called earth rotation. Here there is a what? Our earth is rotated like this and revolves like this also. Okay, because of that there is a what? This position of the sun may changes. Okay, clear or not all of you students? And here there is one photography is also there. Okay, clear or not all the students? This is a photography here we consider. Yes, and in case there is a taken this photography in a where 4A photography standing in front of the doorstep and in a east facing house at the time of a sunrise. This is on the day of month of December maybe. Okay, it will be where the sun is here, not at here exactly on this particular place. Okay, but when you come to here, compare these two diagrams. Okay, what is going on? It is exactly on its head. Okay, clear? It is not head, it is here at the December. Okay, once take it here. Okay, now you take a compass. Now it is also possible. Exactly, you look at there is our east door. Okay, now east door. Otherwise, in your home, you take a compass and you locate it at east. One check at the morning at the rise time, not at every time. At the rise time, once you observe that whatever the position of our sun, it may not look at the exactly on east. It may get somewhat side the east, somewhat a lateral side of the east may appear for us. Okay, this is only sun changes here we consider. Sun is a changes. No, our earth is a changes. It's a position with respect to sun. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, clear or not all the students? Earth is not another side now. Earth is a moves. Earth is revolving around the sun. Revolving around the sun. One revolution is completed in a 365.25 days. Not moves the east side, not moves the west side. Okay, clear or not all the students? It will be rotated, not revolving. Okay, but which is facing towards the sun, that is only called at the time of a rise, it's called the east. I hope you got it. It is. Yeah, there is that east and as well as the west, east position of the sun on a same place it is a changes. This is also indicate the changing the session. Once look at the shadow also. At the same time, suppose you consider our shadow at a morning. Okay, now at where at a December, the same thing you consider it is in a May. Okay, the shadow is also not the same for a same time. Suppose you take it at 6:30 or 6 o'clock. Once you observe your shadow at your home, okay, it will be somewhat at a straight in a where in a summer. When you check it here, okay, now moves the right side. It is a moves the right side. Okay, clear or not all the students? Our shadow is a moves the right side in a December. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is only we are going to here. That is also indication of one of our session change here. Here, actually, during this activity or during the observing of that photo, the conclusion is getting like for us in this way. Okay, what is getting for us? Exactly as the December. Why? Because it is occur actually. Why? Because exactly our earth state around the sun. Yes, it is a changes from where? From little south of east. Okay, clear or not all the students? At where? At December 20. At December 20, our sun, our earth position slightly it is a changes towards the what? Southeast. Southeast side. Okay, our earth location is entered into the southeast side towards the sun, around the sun. And when it is comes to the May, it will be again come to the 15th May, it is exactly bended towards the east. It is at where it will be upper, it is the 15th May, it will be again, it is like that, it will be appear for us. Why it is like that and what is the reason for it is, this the fundamental reason is like this here. Okay, clear or not all of earth is revolving around the sun Okay, now from one hemisphere to the another hemisphere. Okay, clear or not all of you students? One hemisphere to the another hemisphere. That is the northeast and southeast. Okay, clear or not all of you? In our Telugu it is called Uttarayanam, Dakshinayanam, like that. Okay, now when at December 20, in our some particular temples at that day, they are constructed the archaeology department, and as well as there is there that particular at that time only, based on this in December 20, based on this May 15th. Okay, now that sun rays exactly fall on that particular, yes, main god where there is like Arsavelli. Okay, now that particular temples exactly they fall on the foot of that god, yes, spectacle. Okay, now clear on that all of you? They are anything like that optically, but exactly on that day only it will be appear like that. That is indication of what? Change of the location of our earth to around the sun. Okay, now December 20 it will be bended somewhat towards the southeast. It will be again at the May 1st, it will be exactly come at the east side to the sun, it will be as get for us. In this way only there is a changing of session may possible to discuss. Once I want to go through the globe. Okay, now all the students listen carefully. Yes, here. Yeah, I am taken. There is it is a taken as somewhat sun. Okay, it is not a sun. It is a sun I am not taken. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now this is the earth. Actually, what is going on? You know, there is a what always. It is a revolving like this it here. Okay, it is a called what rotation. Okay, clear or not all of you? You know very well how there is a days are forms and as well as the nights are formed. Suppose it is a what actually. It is a what actually? It is a sun. Okay. Now it is a rotated now. It is a rotated like this here. It is a rotated. When it is a rotated, suppose it is in front of sun. It is a become what? It is a brighted or not? It is a become what now? It is a day for it. Okay. Clear or not all of you? It is a day for it. Here sun is a fixed. Here sun is a not changes its a position. Okay, now which is the changes then? There it is a changes is the which one? The changes is here. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah, here there is it is a what actually this position is a what? Sun position. This position is the sun position. Clear or not all the students? Now it will be rotated like this it here. Our earth is a rotated like here. Okay, clear or not all the students? When it is a rotated, the position of the sun is a changes on this one or not? The position of sun is a changes here. It is a where the sunlight is a fall. This is a become what? This is a become the day. And this part is a become what? This part is a become night here. For this part night. And here sun rays are fall on this particular different areas now. Exactly it is a fall on this. It is a called afternoon. Here there is a sun rays are fall this particular place. It is a evening. Okay, clear or not all of you? Some part here it is a become morning. Then after it will be called a rotation of the earth. During this there is a changes the daytime. Okay, clear or not all of you? During this what is the changes? Daytime is changes. Okay, one more thing. How the sessions are going on? This is a fixed in this particular place. Our earth is now, okay, revolving like this here now. Okay, revolving like this. Okay, around it will be revolving in this direction. Okay, clear or not all? During that also it will be what, here it will be moving like that here. Okay, because of that there is our sun rising position and sun setting position may changes, and as well as sessions are also changes. Got it or not all the students? Yes, this is only cause for, yes, yeah, earth is actually not exactly in a which one, exactly not like this it here. Earth is tilting toward the sun, it is a tilting in this 22.4 degrees, not exactly 90 here like this, it is not in a straight ball like this. One check it here, earth is a bending in this form. Okay, clear or not all of you? It is rotated in a bending with somewhat tilting angle. Okay, because of that only there is a what, that all the changes are appear. Okay, clear? I hope you got it. There is a whatever our sun rising position, how it is a changes, sun setting position is how it is a changes. Why? Because it is a rotated, and it is a tending somewhat times, it is a bending towards the what actually sun, south east, somewhat northeast. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, this is a, suppose you take, this is a compass, it is a north side, it is east side. Okay, now towards always it is a rotated regularly because of the day and night forms, and every time some portion is towards the north, some portion is towards the south, because of that the sessions are changes. But all the places on the earth the sessions are not the same. Okay, clear or not all of you? Based on that southern portion, based on the northern portion, then it will be changes. Okay, only one thing that is extra to our topic, but you concentrate on only our topic, how the changes are around in us, changes are coming in the session. How it is the changes are coming in the session? Yeah, there is a what we are, because of revolution, because of rotation of earth, there is a changes of sessions are coming. Mainly the changes of sessions are coming due to the revolution of earth around the sun. That is only session cause change, cause for it. And how you recognize it? By using the daytime change and day duration change and morning sunrise change, sunset change also. Sunrising change, sunset change, that is indicate the days, that is also indicate the change of session. And as well as there is a sun position with respect to our earth is also indicate the change of session. And the winter and the summer, these hot positions and these all are also hot, and as well as the cooled positions also, cold environment and atmosphere also, we conclude that the session change. I hope you got it. There is a, once you compare the convert of a milk to curd and the convert of a sessions from one session to the another session, what we have taken? Yeah, there is a taken two main things. One is a indicator, another one is a cause. What is the indicator? What is the cause we are taken? Indicator is nothing but, in that one there is our milk is a changes from, okay now, milk is a changes from where? Milk is a changes here, it's a state and taste and smell, it is a changes, that is only indicator. Change in a sessions means what? Change in a sessions, we are changes our environment in the coldness, and as well as we are whatever wearing habitations, whatever, these are the indicators. Okay, clear or not? Then what is the cause for you? The some bacteria are changes the milk into the curd, that is the cause. And as well as what is the changes, cause for changes of session is the cause for us. Slight change in the direction of sun rays, that is the cause for the change of session recognition purpose. Once you compare it here, first there is a one change may coming in the environment, that compulsory contain one indicator. That indicator is a produce as a cause also for us. When we are go through the indicator, we produce as the cause. That is the same. That is either made for the season change, that much of biggest change, either made for the small change like the milk is a convert to the curd. The both the changes, there is a compulsory we have the somewhat indicator. What the indicated the change, what the cause for the change. When you know this all the aspects, automatically we consider the changes around us clearly. Tomorrow we are going towards about different changes, okay, around us, and what the indicators and what the causes we are going to discuss tomorrow. Thank you students, bye, take care, and search for that information how the changes or sessions are going on. Okay, clear or not all the students? Write a short note on changes of sessions and how it will be changed as a winter to the summer, and what the causes are there, what the indicators are there. Thank you students, bye, take care.